Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening the BMW M4. Featured in the Factory Fresh series, it's car 8 of 10. This is a 2015 casting and it's very nice. It's just a very nice modern production car. Being in the Factory Fresh series, we've got the stamps for the tail lights, the headlights. It's even got the BMW logo on both the front and the back of the car, as well as the M4. So nice detail they've got there. This one I've got in the metal flake steel blue color. I quite like this a lot. It's a little bit better than some of the base colors like a white or a red. Although that said, they're nice cars as well, and I'd like to have this in a lot of different colors. It's been used in a few different series, but it's always pretty plain. There's not much decals over this one, but that's alright, I like it how it is. And that roof, that whole glass roof, that's pretty nice, a panoramic roof. Alright, let's check it out on the track, see how it will perform. I'm thinking that this is going to do okay. I don't think it will be too bad. I think it'll be a nice track car. Alright, let's get it on there. Yeah, look, perfectly fine. It starts to slow down before it re-enters the booster, but for a track car, it's going to be perfect. So if you like production model cars in the 1/64 size, this one is definitely going to be good for on the track. Alright, thumbs up, comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.